Hi everyone, welcome back to course Problem Solving using C. Today in this course, we'll be talking on operators in C programming language. This is one of the most important topic any of the programming language. The operator plays important role while writing a program. Right? Let us discuss one after the others. Operators, there are different kind of operator will be using in a programming language, any of the programming language, especially in C also using like this. Arithmetic operators, so all mathematical operation can perform, will be using arithmetic operators, plus, minus, star, division and modulus operators. And also there is another operator is called relational operators. There is a comparison will have. There are two of expression. You need to compare them, right? Is that a value is less than, equal to other one, greater than or equal, not equal. All you have to be compared. It is all relational operators. You are comparing any first expression to second expression or first of variable to second variables like that. In that case, you have to use the relational operators. Another category is logical operators. There are three kind of logical operators: AND operator, OR operator, NOT operators, right? So that we'll discuss little later in this video. Assignment operators, there is equal, uh, and there are these are the uh, 3 to 4 assignment operator will be using in the uh, programming language. So another category is increment and decrement operators. There are two operator will comes whenever you want to increment one value to the given value. So that is you have to go with the double, plus whenever you want to decrement the given value to 1 by 1, that is we have to use the minus minus. So there is another category is called conditional operators. So that conditional operator you want to discuss, there is a two-way condition you have to check. The first condition satisfy the first value of that, depending on the expression obtained result will be execute the first statement or second statement, that will be they take a decision by using a conditional operators. There is another category is called bitwise operators. So the short while operators are a bitwise operator. There is a and ampersand sign and pipe operator, negation operator, left shift and right shift operators, right? So there is a final and the last operator is a special operator. There are different special operator also will be using in your C programming language, right? So these are the different operators will be using in your C programming language while writing. Not only the C programming language, any of the programming language, computer languages, you will be using all this kind of operators. So these are all the prerequisite to know when you wanted to use when you want to use the relational operator, logical operator, assignment operators. So when you are writing all this program in the beginning, so you need to be practice and using them in your day while writing program. Definitely it will useful for any of in future. If you want to learn any other programming language, this all will be same, you can use that, right? So with this will we move on to the next see in detail for each one of them. Okay, so first category, as in case of operators, so there is a arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators, as you are told, that is always using a mathematical calculations. So there is these many operators are comes under the arithmetical operation. There is an addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus operator that always use whenever you want to find out the remainder of the two operands, right? You'll all get like this. These are the best example when you compute addition, you have to use that. There are two operands are there, addition of A and B, or subtraction of B from A. Like that you have to use those. Obviously, any of the day-to-day programming tasks or application always using arithmetical operators. So there is another operators called relational operator. So as I discussed it in the previous slide, so there are always you have to using them for comparing two numbers or taking a decision. Comparing two numbers and taking the decision. So based on the comparison, will be taking a decision. So there is and also there is relational expressions are using decision statement. So this relational operator also using it in addition statements like if, for, while, etc. Right? So these are the relational operators, or these are the relation operator. Less than is the any number. First number is less than second number, or first number is less than second number, or less than or equal to second number. The first number is greater than or second number, and so on. Right? Which is equal to, there is a double equal, you are comparing a first number to the second number, and if the last number, it is a negation operator, is called is not equal, the first number is not equal to second number. Based on that the application, we will be using this operators by taking a decision of your program, right? So I think I hope we understand this concept. Let us move to the next category, the logical operators. Logical operators are are used to test more than one condition in your program. So you have to condition, you have to check the condition. Based on that condition, whether it is a true or false, will take the decision. So let us see them. How those there are three operators comes under logical. So one is the hand operator. Both of them are zero. It is a condition is true or false, right? So there is both of them are true, both of them are zero, then it is a true, right? The either is zero, then false, right? The both of them are zero, non-zero, sorry, it is a non-zero, then it is a true. Either one of them is false, either one of them zero, then it is a false. Logical operators, so both are zero, then it is become false. Either one is non-zero, then it is true. Negation operator, it is a negation operator. It will always comparing first one, first number or first variable to the second variable having a value, so that value will compare with the second variable value. So then both are not equal, it will be true, right? Even comparing a first number with second number. Look at this, when A having a values, there is B valuing a values. When you taking a 0, A is 0, B is 0, A is 0, then both are 0, the values will be 0 for AND. For OR, it is also same. Either one of the one is 0, A is 0, B is 1, then it is also it is AND operator 0. Here also 1 and 0 is also 0. But in case of OR operator, there is either one of them it is non-zero, then it is a true, right? So both of them are non-zero, then both the cases and OR operator is true. Okay. So it is again testing more than one condition will be used, take the decision, making a decision. We'll see all of them, how to use them in your programming while taking some example. I'll explain it in a little later in the my course. Assignment operator, there is obviously the equal will be using it to assigning a value to the some other variable, right? Which is assignment operator store the value in memory. Obviously there is a value, whatever the value are storing it in a variable, will be storing it in one of the memory. C also supports shorthand assignment operator, which simplifies the operation with the assignment, right? Shorthand operator always simplify the operation. So there is a equal operator. It is a left side, right side to left side will be evaluating it. It is plus equal. This is a shortened operators. That means instead of writing A is equal to entire expression, So which you can write it like this, a plus equal 1. So it's nothing but a is equal to a plus 1. So similarly for all other operator will be using like this. It gets simplifying your programming language and increase the readability. So that's a reason you will be using these assignment operators. That's as you told this, all this operator definitely I will use in future videos. While writing a programs, I'll explain each one of them in detail while writing a program. Right. So another category is called increment or decrement operators. Increment operator used to increase the value of the variable one. As you told, decrement operator is decrease the value of variable by 1. So look at this. So x is equal to 100. X get incremented. What is the value of after increment? The after execution of value of x will be 101. So there is a decrement operator will be after execution of the value of x will be 99. Right? After x is executed, the value get incremented by 1. After execution of this case, value get decremented by 1. So that's a reason value of x will be 99. I think hope you understood this concept. We'll move on to the next category, right? Increment operator or decrement operator. We'll continue. We'll see them another post increment and pre increment, how that will be behave while performing this operation. The pre increment operator, that is nothing but you should be execute value of x is incremented before assigning into the variable on the left side. So this value will get executed, get incremented by 1 before assigning. Look at this, x is equal to 10. So this will get incremented before assigning to p. So x get incremented 1, that is x is equal to 1. P is equal to still 10 only, right? Look at this. First increment value of x by 1, then assign. X get incremented, P will be incremented later, right? Assign the value to the P. Post increment operator, the first value is get incremented, value of X is incremented after assigning to the variable on left side, right? The X value will increment and assign, then it will be assigned to this. Look at this. This value post increment, it will not incremented before assigning. After assigning only this will get incremented. Look at first assign value of x, then incremented. First assign value of x, then increment value. Look at the x values get incremented, then it will assign it. Okay. So this is the case. Understand the pre-increment and post-increment both are different. So when you will be depending on the situation, which operator useful for your programming, then you can use them, right? The another kind of operator is a conditional operator, is also nothing but ternary operator. So the ternary operator is like that. There are three expression will comes here. Syntax is like this: x expression 1 question mark expression 2 colon expression 3. When expression 1 is evaluated first, depending on this whether it is a true. If it is a true, expression 2 will be executed. If it is false, expression 3 will be executed. Look at this, right? Expression is evaluated first. If expression 1 is true, non-zero, then expression 2 is evaluated. If at all expression 1 is false, expression 3 is executed. Look at that. So m is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, r is equal to m greater than n. Whenever it are tested, obviously m is less than the n. In this case, it becomes false. The expression as per our explanation, the n will get printed, right? N value will be printed, right? Look at another case. Obviously m is less than this, it is become true. It become true, then m is executed, right? So value of r will be 2. Okay, so r has come into picture, right? So With this, if we understood all this concept, let's move on to the one more category, that is bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used to perform operation bit by bit, bit by bit. So bitwise operator may not be applied to float and double. This is very important. So you should not be use them for floating and double data types. You'll always using it for the integer number, whole numbers, not for real numbers. Okay, so there is a bitwise operator, that is a shorthand value, which is also it is a single under ampersand sign will be using for bitwise and or single pipe will be using it for or operation, and negation operation, exclusive operator, right? Exclusive XOR operation will be using it, the cap, right? So this is a left operator, left shift operator. That means, what is the meaning of left shift operator? Whenever you wanted to shifting one bit to the every bit to the left side, that means shifting means shift left means multiply by 2. Every shift it has multiply by 2. Every shift to the right it is divided by 2. That's the meaning of it. So we'll see the how to use the condition is with the example. Right, suppose 8 is equal to 1000 in a binary, it is 100, 6 is 0110 in binary, right? Always using like this for bitwise operator. When you want to shifting it, right, look at this, C is equal to A and B, output is what? So if you take 1 0 1 0 0 and 0 1 1 0, what is an operator you are using here? AND operator. As per our condition, whenever both are 0, that is also 0 when applying the AND operator. Even it is either one of the 0, it is 0. Here it is also 0 and 0. So output is 0. Similarly, for OR operators. So OR operator, look at this. I'll take the same example, 0 0 and 0 1 1 0. When I apply the OR operation, both are 0 0. Any one of them it is non-zero, it is value is true. Any one of them it is values, here also there is 1 1. So there is means your output will be 1110. That means it is a 14. It will be printed in a decimal format. Its value is 14. So 14 1110. Okay. So shifting operator. Look at the shifting operator. As you told, there is a multiply by 2. It is shifting it. So multiply 8 is equal to what is that? B is equal to A left shift operator by 1. That means it is multiply by 2. So multiply by 2 is, what is the B value? B value will be 16. Look at this, multiply by 2. Similarly, when I apply the right shift operator, that means you are shifting one bit to the right. So rotating it on the right side, that is divide by 2. A B value will be A by 2, then it is equal to 4, right? So this way you can be calculating all this mathematical expression depending on the application, whichever it is useful. It has to know that all these operators are available in C programming language. Depending on it is a program, you can use them for your application or program. Okay, so I hope you understood this concept. Let us move to the one more category, is special operators. What are those special operators? So there are this operator, you have seen them, but more it can be used it for even AND operator can use it. So this is a shorthand operators. So this also using it for the address operator. You usually can use it for your need to identify the address of the variable. So always use the AND operator with a character a, right, variable a. So it with address will be identifying it. The star pointer operator, it is a pointer operators. Obviously while you are studying a structure and pointers, this operator will be knowing it, right? So there is star operator is indicating the star a, that means it is a pointer to the variable a. So here it is comma, comma operator. It is used to link the related expression together. Size of it determines the number of bytes operand occupies. Obviously, all this will be using while you are studying the structure and pointers. In that case, it is useful for you people. And dot operator need to access any of the value of particular variables or structure member. So we'll be using a dot. Even arrow mark, the member selection operator using the pointer to the structure. So better understanding this concept while explaining the structure, we'll get it. Clarify all little doubt, but right now we'll know this operator, what are those operators. So with this, I think I'll wind up the video today. It a little lengthier than. I'll be moving one more video. I'll always explain all these operators while while writing a programs. Thank you. I hope you understood this concept. Any doubt is there, please comment in the comment box. Okay. Please you have to you like it, subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you.